G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of the Dirt Road Home. In this video you're going to see our roof sheeting going on. We're getting a delivery behind us as we speak, and the guys are going to basically do all our fascia and gutter and then put the tin roof or the colour bond roof on all of our property. So exciting times. Watch this space and stay tuned. So what the guys are doing now, they're basically setting up all their little scaffold legs here that drop down, and they're going to be going around and getting all the fascia and gutter set up around the whole perimeter. Put the fascia and gutter on first, and then they come back and do the roof sheeting after that. So I'll show you a look at the scaffold these guys use. This basically just hangs up over the top plate and down. They put their planks on this, and that's what they walk around at their height to basically get all that fascia and gutter on. Now today we're going to be putting our roof sheeting on. You can see here behind me the guys are putting the battens on at the moment. They're just about finished up. Now I missed a little bit of footage because we got rained out. You wouldn't believe it, it hasn't rained here for couple of months, and the guys started putting the fascia and gutter on, and then sure enough it rained pretty hard for a couple of days, so missed a little bit of that footage in between when they were putting some of the gutter and some of the fascia on. But you'll see now all the gutter and fascia is on, all the safety rails around the battens are on, and now what they're going to be starting today is actually start laying all the sheeting. So watch your space. What you'll see in the video is all the sheeting going down, how they put it in place, and then I'll show you the finished product once it's all done. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, so the good news is our roof is just about done. The guys are putting on the last of the gutter guard and all the protections at the moment. So I'll take you around. I'm going to take the drone up and show you from the top the last little bit, but you'll see just about all complete.